Ladies and gentlemen, Spring Tree
proudly presents
Matt.
Hey everybody, Matt, Spring Tree, for another segment of
What's It Good For?
Today we've got
High tech.
linking power cable. Why am I bringing attention to this? Because ours are actually affordable.
That's right.
Do you realize that there are some companies that sell these for ridiculous amounts of money? One company in particular, well actually everybody is about in the same price range, and you're looking about, if you're looking at a 10-foot linking power cable just like this, I mean this obviously isn't 10 foot, but if you're looking for a 10-foot linking power cable, most of the big companies out there are selling those for around $50 or so. We've got sizes, basically any size you need, just call us and we'll make them for you. 10-footer from us is going to be about $30-35, so a lot less money.
But it's obviously it's really good for all the professional lights which have this type of connector. Lets you daisy chain connectors. So if again you're installing a project, you don't have to have an outlet for every single light.
Right.
We can make it in a heavier gauge for you as
Right.
well if you're running longer.
We could do
distances.
14, we could do 12.
That's about it.
We could maybe even do 10.
No, 10 won't fit.
Maybe 8.
12. Yeah.
Do you just linking or do you do Edison to PowerCon as well?
We do Edison, we do linking, we do power to, I don't know, I can put a XLR on there if you want. I don't know, I'll do whatever you want.
I don't recommend it.
Disclaimer: no XLR. No XLR. It's a joke. Okay.